Good morning. Let us move to the next article. In the last lecture, we talked about the SOP form of Boolean expressions. And the next article after SOP form of Boolean expressions is K-map for 2 inputs, 3 inputs and 4 inputs. K-map for 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variables. K-map is Karnaugh map. Karnaugh is the scientist who developed this Karnaugh map. In short, this is known as K-map. K-map can be drawn for 2 variables, that is 2 inputs. K-map can be drawn for 3 variables, 3 inputs. K-map can be drawn for 4 variables, 4 inputs. Even we can draw the K-map for 5 variables, 5 inputs, 6 variables, 6 inputs, etc. But for a syllabus, we are recommended to study the K-map up to 4 inputs or 4 variables only. So let us construct K-map first for 2 inputs, then for 3 inputs, after that for 4 inputs. Let me check whether the video is on. Yes, it is on. So let us first go for K-map for 2 variables or 2 inputs. Let us first construct K-map for 2 variables. Two variables or 2 inputs. When we have 2 variables, number of cells on the K-map will be 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4. And the K-map is drawn this way. A, B, 0, 1, 0, 1. Or you can also draw this way. A, B, 0, 1, 0, 1. A, B, 0, 0, its value is 0, 0, 1, its value is 1. Here it is 1, 0, its value is, here it is 1, 1, its value is. This is cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3. Here 0, 0, value 0, 0, 1, value 1. 1, 0, value 2, 1, 1, value 3. Either you plot the Karnaugh map this way or this way. You can plot the K-map for two variables this way or this way. Let us use this way. Keep in mind this way. Okay. Then let us plot the Karnaugh map for three variables. When we go for three variables, 2 to the power 3, number of cells will be equal to 8, and again you can draw this by these two ways. Meaning of this is B bar, meaning of this is B, meaning of this is A bar, meaning of this is A. Here A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is corresponding to B bar, C bar. This is corresponding to B bar C. This is corresponding to BC. This is corresponding to B C bar. This is corresponding to A bar. This is corresponding to A. A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, its value is 0, 0, 0, 1, value 1, 0, 1, 1, value 3, value 2, 1, 0, 0, value 4, 5, 7, 6. Cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 3, cell number 2, cell number 4, cell number 5, cell number 7, cell number 6. Why this type of numbering is used? We have studied the gray code. Gray code is used for numbering the cells of K-map. This K-map for three variables can be drawn using some other way also, and that is this one. A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. A, B, C, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, it is 1, 0, 1, 0, it is 2, 0, 1, 1, it is 3, it is 6, it is 7, it is 4, it is 5. Cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3, cell number 6, cell number 7, cell number 4, cell number 5. Gray code is used for numbering these cells. This is Karnaugh map, K-map for two variables, K-map for three variables, K-map for three variables. Finally, let us go for K-map for four variable. K-map for four variable will be two to the power 4, that is equal to 16. So K-map for four variables will be it will have 16 cells A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is corresponding to A bar, B bar. This is A bar, B. This is A, B. This is A, B bar. This is corresponding to C bar, D bar. This is C bar, D. This is C, D. This is C, D bar. 0 0 0 0 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 12 13 15 14 8 9 11 10. Cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 3, cell number 2, cell number 4, cell number 5, cell number 7, cell number 6, cell number 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. These are the 16 cells of the K map when there are 4 variables. The same may be drawn this way. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 3, cell number 2, cell number 0, 1, 0, 0, 4, 5, 7, 6, 14, 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 14, not 14, it is 12, 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1, it is 13, it is 15, it is 14, 1 0 0 0 8 9 11 10. This is also K-map for 4 variable. Either use this way or this way. Generally stick up to such ways. This style for 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables. Even we can go for 5 variables. But when we go for 5 variables, there will be how many cells? 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 equal to 32 cells. If you go for 6 variables, 2 to the power 6, 64 cells. We are recommended to construct the Karnaugh map for 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variables only. So I have constructed here K map for 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variables. This is about the Karnaugh map or K map for 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variables. I am doubtful whether simplification of Boolean equations by K map is there for your syllabus. It may or may not be, but we shall go for simplification of Boolean expressions by using K map as next article. Hope you got it. Thank you.